Good afternoon to everyone. This is Prakash. Now I am currently pursuing B.Tech value at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology at Ananthapuram. Uh, my topic is about the delicate touch and employing electric servo motors with four-star sensors for adaptive robotic assembly of electric components. Now let's briefly overview this topic. First, the delicate touch in robotic assembly. This presentation delves into the innovative integration of electric servo motors and four-star sensors within robotic assembly process by enhancing precision and adaptability in the manufacturing of electronic components. This technology offers significant improvement in operational efficiency and product quality. The synergy of this advanced system fosters a new era in automation where flexibility and accuracy are paramount. Uh, This robotic assembly can be assembled by the robotic assembly process. Um, these are more flexible and accurate for paramount. Now we have to discuss about the introduction to adaptive robotics. Uh, Adaptive robotics is crucial for maintaining precision and electronic assembly process. These robots adapt their actions based on real-time feedback, crucial for avoiding errors that can lead to malfunctions. The growing demand for automation in manufacturing indicates a shift toward innovative robotic technologies. Uh, the adaptive robotics are avoiding errors and that can lead to malfunctions. Uh, Now we have to say about the definition of the adaptive robotics. Adaptive robotics can modify their actions based on real-time environmental feedback. Uh, the, these are important of precision and electronic assembly. Precision is crucial to avoid malfunctions. What uh, what is marketing trends to adaptive robotics are there is a growing demand for automation in manufacturing and driving innovation. These are the introduction about the adaptive robotics. Now let's briefly overview the electric servo motors. What are the electric servo motors and what are the benefits of servo motors and what are the applications in robotics? Now we can see about the what are the electric robotic servo motors. These are the high performance devices for precision control in adaptive assembly. The benefits of servo motors are these are high efficiency and quick response and reduced energy consumption. These are the mostly used in robotic arms for precision movement in electric assembly. What is force torque sensors in robotics? Force torque sensors are crucial in robotics, enhancing precision in assembly tasks by measuring the forces and the torques on the robot's end effector. By integrating feedback systems, robots can adapt to various resistances during assembly and leading to improved reliability and efficiency when paired with servo motors. Now we discuss about the functions of force torque sensors and it will measure force torque sensors on the robot's end effector. Importance of feedback systems allow robots to adapt to varying resistance during assembly and integration with servo motors creates a responsive systems to improve assembly efficiency. What is the role of adaptive control in robotics? Adaptive control mechanism. This is the first role and real-time adaptation. Case, case studies of adaptive control. These are the roles of the adaptive control in robotics. First one, adaptive control mechanisms. Algorithms enable robotics to adjust their behavior based on sensor data. The real-time adaptation, this is the second role of the adaptive control in robotics. This will tells about the instant adjustments during assembly, ensure optimal force application. The third role is case studies of adaptive control. Industries demonstrate significant improvements in speed and accuracy. Challenges in implementation, calibration issues, and the complexity of algorithms, cost considerations. These are the challenges in implementation of the servo motors as well as robotics assembly. First one, we have to see about the calibration issues. Ensuring that both servo motors and sensors are accurately calibrated is essential for optimal performance and can be a time-consuming process. Uh, Complexity of algorithms. Developing and refining algorithms for effective adaptive control can be complex and require adaptive programming and testing. Uh, this is the second challenge, implementation of the servo motors. Cost consideration, this is the third challenge is in implementation of the servo motors. Initial investments in advanced robotic systems can be high, but the long-term savings through increased efficiency of their costs. This is the challenges we can be faced due to the servo motors and the robotics assembly. Next, what are the future trends in robotic assembly? Innovations in sensor technology, artificial intelligence integration, Industry 4.0 impact. These are the trends that can be taken place in the future within the robotic assembly. First one, innovations in sensor technology. In next generation, sensors are expected to provide even more precise data, enhancing the adaptability and precision of robotic systems. The artificial intelligence integration. This is the second trend for the future in robotic assembly. Uh, this tells about the incorporating AI in adaptive robotics will leads to smarter systems that can learn from their for experiences and improve over time of this robotic assembly. Industry 4.0 impact. This is the third trend for future assembly in robotic assembly. They will move towards Industry 4.0, will drive the adoption of small manufacturing technologies, pushing for greater integration, IoT and data analytics. Now, finally, we can be conclude on adaptive robotics in manufacturing. Summary of these key points, future directions, and call to actions. Finally, we can conclude that the combination of electric servo motors and force charge sensors facilitates adaptive robotic assembly, leading to high precision and increased efficiency and the ability to respond to real-time changes. Future directions, emphasizing continued innovation and integration of advanced technologies, including AI, which shape the future landscape of the robotic assembly and manufacturing. Industries should invest in adaptive robotic solutions to stay competitive and optimize their manufacturing process. These are the references I have taken to get the adaptive robotics and technologies and how it is useful for the future to assemble the robotics and how it will help to next generation for the robotics assembly. I have taken from these references by key lecture, uh, key literature and research and technical standards and industry reports. Thank you.